honeycrunchers! Let's review this glittery nail art tape by BornPrettyStore. This comes in 3 different sizes, and we have 3mm, 2mm, and 1mm. Cut them first and place them on just like this so you can easily use them. Then I'll be placing them on my nails. Cut them with the use of nipper or scissors, but be careful. After placing them, apply top coat. Each of them has this matte, glittery, multicolor design. You can already have 3 different sizes of nail art tapes once you buy this product. It's very stylish, chic, and sparkly. Now let's compare them with top coat and without top coat. As you can see, the color became more stronger and a bit darker when you apply the top coat, but it's still sparkly and glittery. And that's it for today. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!